Hey guys, it's Jamie. I am in the beautiful Northwoods of Wisconsin. The sun's kind of in my eyes, but I wanted to invite you to do a little nature flow with me today by this beautiful landscape of trees and water. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to Crazy Heart Yoga. Click down here below to subscribe and the little bell if you want to know when my next video is coming out. Until then, meet me on the grass over there.
Ooh, baby, ooh.
Starting today in mountain pose. Feet are together, legs zipped up, tummy in, shoulders rolled back. Stand tall and start to notice your breath. Long, deep, refreshing breath. Feel the breeze on your face, the wind in your hair. Inhale, raise your hands overhead, shoulders drop down, reach to the sky. Interlock your fingers behind your head, rest your head back. Feel the sunshine on your face. Breathe here. Release your right hand down, tilt your left elbow up to the sky, possibly look up, reach down through your right fingertips. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, left hand drops down, right elbow shoots up. Back tall, interlock your fingers, raise them up overhead. Reach tall, inhale here. Exhale, lean to the right. Pushing out your left hip, opening up your shoulder, looking underneath your elbow. Doing yoga outside has double benefits. Not only are you moving your body, but you get the benefits of fresh air, sunshine. Inhale tall, exhale, reach over to the left side. Inhale back to center, hands to our heart. Inhale, scooch your bottom back. Toes lift, hands extend, chair pose. Bringing both elbows, resting them onto your knees. Hold here, sink deeper. Raising up our right arm to the sky, pressing through our left forearm as we twist open. Take some breaths, feel the twist. Coming back to center. And switching sides, left extends. Pressing down, squaring off your hips. Back as your left one reaches up. Both hands back to center. Hands come to the ground. Release our head as we extend our legs. Forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Back is straight. Crown of the head facing forward. Stick out your butt. Lengthen. Exhale, release. Soften your knees. Join me as we inhale, grab some air. And hands to the top. Coming to the side of your mat or the side of the grass. Let's start a little flow here. Straight back, good posture. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, place your hands down, step back, first high plank. Tucking your belly, butts down, strong, pushing away from the ground. Exhale, push yourself back into downward dog. I'm skipping the chaturanga and the cobra today because it's a little dirty and muddy down here. right to downward dog. Pushing your chest back, possibly walking the dog 1 foot pressed back at a time. Bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, step between the hands. Halfway lift on your inhale. Release back down, fold, exhale. Hands up to the sky, hands to heart center. Let's try that again, where we go right from plank to downward dog and coming back up to salute the sun. Inhale, arms lift. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, place the hands, plank position. Full breath in and out. Shooting back, downward facing dog. Stay here. Press firmly through your fingers. Reaching back through the heels. Inhale, bend your knees. Exhale, jump to the front. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, release. And join me, lifting up, above, and hands to heart space. One more time, let's do this. Raising our hands up, inhale. Exhale, swan dive forward. Halfway lift, take a breath in. Release that breath, plank position. Pressing yourself back, downward dog. Walking the dog. Bend your knees, look forward. Jump to the front. Flat back on your next inhale. Exhale, release your hands. Gather some love, gather some nature, and place it in your heart. Open up wide to a big goddess pose, hands overhead. Fingers spread. Big star, northern lights. Interlock your hands behind your body. Stick out your chest on an inhale. Exhale, leading with your chest all the way down. Let your hair swing side to side. Arms reaching overhead. Both hands come to the center, pressing down onto the ground. On your next inhale, right arm extends, look up. And place that down. Other arm up. And place that one down. Walking our hands over to the left side, coming into a little side lunge. This must also be a shooting range because I see all these little casings for target shooting. Feel the stretch in your inner thigh. Pivot your hands all the way over to the left side. Low lunge, knee over the foot, not extending any farther. Drop down that back right leg. And lift your hands slowly overhead, dropping down, squaring off your body, feeling the stretch in your groin and your legs and your hips. Release your hands down. On your next exhale, push your bottom back as your left leg is long, half splits. Coming onto that top leg, pop up the back. Walking back to center, both hands in the middle, wide leg, forward fold. Maybe walk your hands back underneath. I can see an upside down lake from here. It's so cool because it's a total mirror reflection. Now leaning over to the right side. Left leg is long, right knee is bent. Take some breaths here. it, walk our hands over to the side for a runner's lunge. Drop your knee carefully onto the ground. Lift up, lean more into it forward. Beautiful afternoon in the North Woods of Wisconsin. Place your hands, frame your foot, press it back, half splits, right leg extended. Coming back onto that top foot, lift your left, coming back to center. Come to a halfway lift, back is flat. And heel toe, your feet to hip distance apart. And roll your spine up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Hands overhead and hands to heart center. Let's dust ourselves off and go into a balance series. So today we're going to start with our left foot planted securely onto the ground, toes are spread wide. Taking our right, crisscrossing it over the top of our right knee, sitting down in a modified chair position. Square up that leg, flex the foot, sit back. Slowly coming up, that right leg pretzels behind the left, arms open wide. Right arm comes under into eagle arms, both legs and arms in eagle position. Raise your elbows up and balance. Maybe you want to try bringing the two ends together. Don't forget to breathe. Coming up, woohoo, shaking. And release that. Shake out your knees. Couple hip circles. And let's try that on the other side. Right foot is planted. Left ankle hooks over the top of your knee. Sitting back. Balancing chair pose. Coming up, crisscrossing the leg behind. Open up your arms wide. And this time left goes underneath. Coming down, eagle pose. And maybe coming together. Woo. Coming back up. Once again, shake the hips out. Roll it. You can't be surrounded by this beautiful nature and not do tree pose. So let's start back on the other side. Left foot securely down. Find where you want to balance. Maybe it's down here. Maybe it's above the knee. Let's get our beautiful tree poses going. Right into dancer. So what we do is we take our right hand, grabbing our right foot, left hand extends out to counterbalance us. Looking forward, drop the shoulders, stick out your chest. Dancer pose. Woo! If you fall, just try again. And release that. Shake out your knees, maybe roll your knees this time. And reverse. Tree on the right side. Planted firmly, toes on the right. Left foot comes up. Balance here. I hear a couple motorcycles in the distance on the county highways. Beautiful day for a ride. Taking your left hand to your left foot, right hand extends, dancer this side. me onto the ground, lay back, and we're gonna end in final relaxation, which is like forest bathing. It is a technique where you relax, lay down right in the middle of nature and let all its magical healing benefits soak in. So forget about my voice, forget about the world around you. Even if you're at home right now, think of a beautiful forest, laying down on your back, closing your eyes. Lush greenery, maybe little animals playing in the distance, nature bathing. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Come up, sweep off the dirt and the grass and the branches. Meet me in seated position as we take a moment to be thankful for Mother Earth, can't get more grounded than this. Feel your hands and your feet on the ground. Playful. Hands to heart center. We end by saying Namaste. The love enlightened me honors and sees the love and light inside of you. Thank you for joining me this beautiful day, beautiful landscape. Namaste.
I got my ooze in my pocket. I got my ooze in my pocket. I'm gonna take 'em out. I'm gonna take 'em out and say, ooh, baby, ooh.